Algebra 1 Inequality Equation. Solving inequality equations. Okay, this is the last subject in the Algebra 1. We have an inequality. For example, linear equation can have, instead of equal 0, you can have larger than. Okay, so in this case you have, that's b, and a is the slope, and y is here, x is here. We're talking about this area. Any coordinate x1, y1 satisfy this inequality equation, right? So if a is 0, the a is positive, then x has to be this area. Okay, if a is negative, then it has to be this area. So this point is given by these. Sorry, this is the other way around. Y has to be positive. So we're talking about this one, this point. So x has to be smaller than this point, minus b over a. In this case, x has to be larger than minus b over a. Okay. Quadratic equation. Now we have various cases. If y has to be positive, then we're talking about this range, because here y is negative. Okay, but if its equation is like that, then y is positive in this range. So depend on a. This a is negative, then this range gives positive y, and this point is a root. Both cases root. Okay, so depend on a, either it's going to be outside of this or inside of the curve. Okay, that's the inequality equations solution. Here's the graph. Y equals y is larger than 2x minus 3. So in this case, the 2x minus 3, something like that, and y is larger over this. Y is smaller than negative x, so it's going to be like that, and y is negative, so we're talking about this range. Okay, so this range of x is a solution. Okay, simultaneous equation. If we say y is larger than linear equation and smaller than quadratic equation, so anything above this line but below this line, so any x will be given by x is going to satisfy this condition. Okay, now when we have a two quadratic equation and y is larger than this, so anything above this, and y is smaller than this, anything above this is going to be limited by this. when you have this kind, we have to look at this area. Okay, so that's the how we show the solution for the inequality equation. Okay, thank you for listening. Then you can move on to Algebra 2.